I've finally given in and I've bought the new Airpods Max 2nd generation headphones. I've been wanting these for a while now, but I thought, let me wait, like a lot of people, until September, that's just gone, to see what updates they would do for the 2nd generation. And surprise, surprise to a lot of people, the only thing that they changed was the charging ports, which became a USB-C, and then the colors. So I was extremely disappointed, like a lot of people, but I thought, you know what, let me just get these headphones because, you know, I am going traveling quite a lot in the upcoming few weeks. I'm going to Athens, which you actually see in this video, and then I'm also going to Hong Kong. So these will serve me well on the flights. I am an Apple fanboy, hate to admit that, but I really do like their products. I love the build quality, I like the look as well, and the design. And, you know, speaking of the design, I want to get more into fashion and posting more, you know, fit pictures online on Instagram. And if you are in the fashion space, you would see that people do wear the AirPods Max quite a lot in their fit pictures as like an accessory item. And I'm not really that big into rings or watches or necklaces or any sort of jewelry. So for me, this could sort of double up as an accessory to go with the outfits that I want to be posting. So I guess this will serve me in that way as well. So would I recommend these headphones to people? Probably not, unless you have the money and you really love Apple products like myself. For full transparency, these are a business expense, so I'm not really paying it out of my own pocket. And if you are looking for, you know, really good sound quality and that's like your top priority for headphones, then yeah, I don't think AirPods Max would be for you. And there are also a lot better alternatives for cheaper prices as well. But overall, I am very happy with these. And yeah, I guess if I was paying it out of my own pocket, I probably would look to get maybe a refurbished 1st generation one for maybe like £300 or something like that. Currently on my way to collect my bib for the 10K race in Athens. eating gyros in this day today. Oh. Fueling up for tomorrow's 10K. I've been feeling a bit ill for the past week and I've only just kind of recovered today, so probably not going to be going for a PB at all. I'm just going to enjoy it and I'll take you guys along with me on the route. So guys, we are back at the hotel, just finished up with the 10K race. I'm gonna have a shower and then head back out to the stadium again just to watch the rest of the runners. And yeah, that was a pretty good race. It went a lot better than expected. I ran the first 5K reasonably slow-ish, a reasonable time. And then depending on how I felt, I would push harder if I felt good enough. And actually, the second 5K bit was pretty much downhill the whole way, so that was a lot easier for me to just use the momentum to just kind of just take longer strides and just head down. But yeah, really good. Gonna have a shower now. Got quite a few blisters actually, so I definitely need to buy some proper running shoes. I mean, the on running shoes that I'm wearing at the moment are pretty good, but I don't know if they're good for my feet because anything after about 5 or 6K, I always start to get quite a lot of blisters. So yeah, probably it's about time to change shoe. So this is a graphic warning. If you don't like gruesome things, look away. But these are the blisters on my feet from the shoes. So yeah, definitely need to invest in some better shoes that will fit my foot type. It's because I've got very flat feet, so I feel like the arch just rubs against any shoe that has a bit of lift built into it to support the arch. But obviously because I don't have an arch, it just keeps rubbing against it. So that's the end of the running segment. Hopefully tomorrow my feet will be a bit better and we can go and do some more touristy activities such as going to the Acropolis and maybe just eating some more gyros.